Hey Bonita National fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're previewing our newest listing. This is Bonita National Unit 242. This is part of the golf included terrace line of condos. The floor plan here is the Blvd floor plan. It's 2 bedrooms, 2 bath with a great room design. Let's walk inside and take a look at this beautifully upgraded condo for sale. This home is being sold turnkey, so everything that you see is going to be inclusive of the sale of the property. Now, as we walk in here, directly to the left is the master suite, shown there with a king-size bed for perspective. These owners have upgraded the flooring from carpet to laminate and have fully repainted the entire unit as well. You've got 2 closets here, his and hers. This one here, the owners have used as an owner's type closet, so it does come with a lock up there in case you decide to rent the unit out. And this leads us into the master bath here with the commode. You've got the vanity there and your standalone shower configuration. Now, coming back out into the main hallway, directly across from the master is the guest bedroom and guest bath. Here the guest bedroom is furnished with 2 twin beds. Again, everything's been repainted and you have the bifold closet set up there. And then we have the guest bathroom just off of here with your vanity, the single sink, and your combination tub and shower here. Now coming back into the hallway, on the right side here, you've got your laundry facility with full-size washer and dryer. And this opens up into the beautiful great room design of the Blvd floor plan here. So off to my right here, these folks have a nice little seated area and workstation set up. They've got some custom lighting done here at the flex room and also over there over the eating kitchen area. Coming into the main kitchen here, you get a nice view over the great room here. And the eating kitchen area here, you've got a beautiful view over the largest lake here in Bonita National, over hole number 1, and off to the side there you'll see the clubhouse and practice greens. That brings us to the great room area here. Lots of room, lots of upgraded paint. It's a beautifully furnished and decorated unit here. Last but not least, we have the exterior lanai here. And as we walk outside here, you'll see the long view of hole number 1, the large lake here. Right over here is where your sunsets are gonna be. And in the distance there is the clubhouse and practice greens. You are walking distance to all of the amenities that Bonita National has to offer. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this unit, it is a top floor, quote-unquote penthouse unit. It's being offered turnkey, so everything that you see here is available with the home. If you're interested, all of our contact information is below. This is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property, and we appreciate you watching.